Hey, good morning. Guess what, Ram? I will show you some picture, some information about this, and guess what, Ram? Okay, can you hear some birds is singing? Let's see with me. Yeah, this is behind me. It used to be a field garden. Do you see it? A buffalo. Yeah, really nice. So fresh air. Yes, it rained last night, so the weather really cool right now. Even it's sunny, but not too hot. I will go to center, do something, and I will show you some so delicious food here. Okay, enjoy your new week. I'm so excited because I'm going to eat some delicious food. Have, have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will surprise or maybe make some comment below it. Thank you. See you next time.